We are back with our guide Jennifer, who took us around on the coffee tour, and we are going to learn how to make Vietnamese coffee. Specifically egg coffee, but apparently there's 4 types that we signed up for, so we'll see what other kinds we learn how to make. Oh my god, it smells so good.
Right?
It was on Train Street at 1990s Hanoi. That was
all right. Like you have to take a Grab there, right?
Train Street.
No surprise.
Beer cap, yeah, we saw that.
With, like kind of
So
chocolate.
strong. Yeah, it's like a chocolatey flavor. Ooh.
So like you're gonna roast it like the way
You need to bring that size home.
The coffee.
Oh, it's like a light brown sugar.
Yeah.
And then you take out the filter and the top, and then you just put that straight in.
If you want to try the pure flavor, just like pure black coffee, you don't need to put sugar inside.
I'll put a little sugar. How much sugar?
Just a light.
Yeah, just a light little bit.
Yeah. So that's the way how the powder. The question here is like how much coffee powder I can put in here, right?
Yeah.
Actually, for most of the Vietnamese people.
So the dot will help with the level. Otherwise, you can see when you put the filter on.
You can put it in here.
And then more?
See, I can say more a lot. And first, I'm gonna pour the water in this side of the cap. Like this, a little bit. And I take this back here.
Oh.
So the heat and the water can steam the coffee from this side. Yeah.
So it's like tempering it almost.
Yeah.
Oh.
From this side. And then I also pour in this side also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the heat and the water can steam like the coffee bean from the both sides to have the like perfect flavor. And you wait for about 1 to 2 minutes.
Is that enough?
Yep. Okay. Oh, I think a little more.
A little more?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then I'm being careful. I'm very good. I'm very good at spilling. Okay, and then you said you just do. As you can see, I spilled.
Yeah. You can see like the coffee bean take the water from this side.
Oh. Then it goes straight on top.
We put the press in here, and then we put the coffee back in here.
Oh.
Then I pour the coffee. I'm gonna pour
The rest of the water. Oh.
And this is the way how I pour the water. I'm not gonna pour in this or this side.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pour on top of the press or the fin filter like this. You can see. So the heat and the water
Oh,
can
it like
spread around.
distributes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So that way all the grounds are like appropriately moistened.
Yeah. Like this. Take a lot of time. So you can see the coffee is dripping right now.
The filter in first. And then you pour this back on top.
Tí ngọn đựng cốc được không? Tí nữa lấy.
And then you take this. And you try and make sure you hit the middle. Make it even. Yes, and the coffee's dripping. Yay! Tee-tee.
Without sugar. So you can
Well, we put the sugar in there, so that doesn't count.
and you cannot feel it actually. It's still very strong.
Oh, that is good though. It's smooth.
Still strong.
Still strong. We need to taste ourselves.
And then you put it back.
An almond cracker.
It's like which one?
Yeah. It's like it's almost like a brittle because it's like a little sticky, but it's more like a cracker.
So like we have the eggs here. For 1 cup of egg coffee, you're gonna have like 1 to 2 egg yolks.
So what is the difference is that we added more water, right?
Oh, sorry. Like actually for a cup of thin filter, just 1 to 2 turns of water. That's enough.
Yeah.
If you add more water, like the third turns of water, the flavor will probably be lighter.
Lighter.
Yeah.
So the first time it was black because we only did 1 turn of the filter, or 1 pour.
Like,
and then the second time we poured more, and that's what made it like a brown coffee.
No, actually, just do the black coffee, but like, yeah.
Oh, we're adding something now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, the sweetened condensed milk. Ah. So I just go and squirt it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, how much?
Up to your sweet flavor. Just put more. That's how we do it here.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll see. And then you just mix it and taste it. Okay, I can get behind that. So the egg coffee has the sweetened condensed milk in the actual coffee too. Ah.
Like, there's.
I see it's
brown
changing
is
color a
the
little.
base of lot of it.
It's good. I could use some more.
Now it's brown coffee.
I'll
Yeah.
use a little bit more. This is so good. So it's brown coffee because it has a sweetened condensed milk. Oh, yours is very sweet. Look at the difference in color. I feel like you can really see the difference in color. I didn't do that bad. And Pepsi, they had a collab, Jollibee Pepsi collab. So you need
Egg whites in here.
egg whites and egg yolks in there. Okay. Got a shell. Get that out.
Yeah, I know you cook better than me. So no surprise for this.
I can do
little
this one.
egg white inside, that's still fine.
Okay,
It's
so
not
this one's fine? Okay.
that's fine.
Okay, so whoop. There you go. Put this one there. Is it okay it broke?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Not too bad, not too shabby. Do one more time. Pretty good. Got it? A little bit.
We make a lot of eggs.
We do make a lot of eggs. We have eggs most good to me. Whoop. See?
All right.
Thank you.
And then you whisk it and just have foamy texture.
Yeah.
Why we have vodka inside are in order to make the flavor less eggy.
Oh, it neutralizes it.
Like people, they actually like, why not 1 shot? Or why not 1 tablespoon of vodka?
Yeah.
Highest speed are here for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Yeah, that's what, same when you make whipped cream.
Yeah. In the past, they have to put it back in.
Yeah, it takes so long. Do we just like spoon it in? Or do we?
You just need to pour it.
Oh, you pour it in. Okay. It looks thick, so I wasn't thinking about it. Oh my gosh, look at that. More! Always more.
Oh.
More.
More. Come on.
I'll do a heart.
Get it on.
Oh, we got a heart with a little. Let me try and do like a. Oh, that's so nice. You need my spoon? So now you mix it in. Take one. Opposite, the older generation will buy what they've grown up with, which is the
Yeah.
cheaper white eggs, and then the younger generation likes the organic, farm fresh stuff.
I think it depends on the chicken now, but they do sell like organic.
They do sell organic white eggs.
Not as common.
But it's just like visually, people will assume that brown eggs are farm eggs and they're better for you, and that the white eggs are the ones that are mass produced and they're not as. And sometimes it's like there's a big discrepancy because you can see the brown eggs sometimes will have like a brighter yolk, and the white ones will be less white. But it's really just doesn't it's up for debate whether it matters.
Because even these ones are very yellow compared to
Yeah.
the white ones.
This is so good. So we start with this, the sweetened condensed milk, she said. Right? I put this in? Okay. How's that looking on sweetness? More?
I'm young generation. I'm not very young like you. I have that chow mask.
Okay.
And then it's like water. And like actually you can use fresh milk instead of water. That's still fine.
Oh, so you can use milk instead of water?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is warm.
Just a normal one.
Oh, just a normal water.
Like add ice inside that. And then you mix it.
Spoon.
And then you put ice inside that. And like I have this one. This is like just the pure black coffee from this coffee shop. What I'm gonna do? This is also another key thing. Like when you order any kind of Vietnamese black coffee or white something, with the cold version, they're gonna whisk it, so it's gonna have bubble like this, and the flavor is gonna be way better.
Oh.
Yeah. So now what you can do next is like you just take the bubble in your cup.
To the top.
More, full of your cup.
Wow. That's really cool. Yeah, you can see
And
1,
we
2,
call
3.
This is like the beer side of Vietnamese coffee.
Haha.
This kind of the update version.
Oh, that makes sense.
Plus about like I think 10K for plus for it.
Oh, we should buy that.
For the coffee
Oh,
to the bubble.
maybe spill a little. Okay, that's good.
Pour it.
Careful.
So this is like what we all.
That's nice though.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a lighter version. I think most people. It's very strong.
Yeah, you can see how dark it is. So is it the beans that make like Vietnamese coffee so strong? Is that what makes it so strong, or is it more the preparation?
You mean the flavor of coffee?
Yeah, like so this is obviously has a higher concentration of caffeine. The flavor is much deeper and stronger. What makes, is it the beans? Is it the preparation? Like,
Yeah, I would say like it's from the beans. First from the beans is that like we use robusta beans,
yeah.
so it's like more strong. And the technique how she make it like stronger is like she just pour like very little water. Not like
Yeah, there wasn't.
like just 1/3.
Yeah. So it's a lot like a high concentration of the beans, and then in comparison to the water, and then also the robusta beans as well.
Like, this up here because it's feeling you should eat something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's our rich cream.
Oh.
If you don't have
Oh, it literally says rich cream. Yeah.
yeah.
The brand. Yeah.
Like if you go around Hanoi and you go to like every kind of and you order anything with macchiato cream, like the coffee or the drink tea with macchiato cream,
Yeah.
always from this cream. And if you
Oh.
take a look of like any like high quality coffee
Yeah.
shop, like Highlands one also, you can see this inside also.
Oh, Highlands.
We're gonna use this one. We have about like
This
20
is
to
happening.
40 mils of.
No, it's not. Look how thick that is.
No worries, I'm gonna send you the receipt then.
Oh, good.
Then you whisk it. And the next ingredient is salt. I'm gonna tell you more about that. So like, just cooking salt, that's fine. But how to make your salty coffee have like way better flavor?
Yeah.
We use pink salt.
Pink salt. Oh.
Himalayan.
Oh, like a Himalayan pink salt.
Yeah.
Ah.
So, like, just a little, up to you also. I mean, like if they use cooking salt, you actually if you put a lot, like you cannot control the salty.
Yeah.
But salt, that's still fine if you put a lot.
Yeah, because it's coarser.
And when it becomes a little bit like thicker, you're gonna add a little bit milk inside.
Yeah.
So the flavor gonna be a little bit lighter. Like the bánh mì and the rice.
What is
Chicken
it?
Rice.
Oh, chicken rice.
Yeah. So like
yes.
the rice they cook with the broth of the chicken.
Oh, we
Near, like the walking street near the pagoda.
Did I just pour it to the top? Always more. She said to use flour. I'll do flour.
The flour?
Yeah, I can do a flour. Oh, as I'm dripping, you know what? We're gonna just do a bunch of dots. We've changed our mind.
Like the stick to.
Oh, to do more designs. Oh, I can make it pretty now.
Fix it.
Yeah, yeah. So I've always seen them do like.
Wow.
There we go. I've watched a couple videos. Something absorbed. I did it.
So it's like from 45K to like 400K.
Yeah, right? What do we got going on over there? What's this? We're not sure what
Like
happened.
modern art.
Oh. Okay, okay. We got a little Picasso.
Oh, still good.
Oh, wow. Someone's having a blast.
Alright.
Turned out great.
Or like.
The cream. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is like a classic, like milky coffee, but like better. I actually forgot the salt was in there for a second because it just like it just adds a nice balance.
So like, what's your favorite coffee so far?
I think the egg is the most interesting to me because it's so unique and different. But I think I would probably make a classic thin drip coffee with just the sweet condensed milk most regularly. And if I wanted something indulgent but not like heavy,
Yeah.
I would do this. Yeah, I appreciate that the iced virgins are the preference because I think that it makes the flavors come together really nicely. And a lot of cultures don't have good iced coffee. They don't really do iced coffee.
I think because like here it's very
It's
sweet.
yeah, well it's sweet, yeah.
So when you put more ice, still fine.
Like if you go to Europe, there's really no iced coffee. You could maybe get a cup of ice, but it's just like not. It's more popular now with like the internet and like the next generation, but in general, it's like hot coffee only. It doesn't matter if it's like the middle of the summer, a lot of people will just be drinking hot coffee. But I like that it's refreshing and that it's like, it's very good. We just finished our coffee class. We learned so much about all the different types of Vietnamese coffee, and it's so much fun learning, you know, to be able to actually go home and make this coffee. We bought 2 of the thin filters so that way we can have our wonderful Vietnamese coffee when we're home. You definitely need to find some beans, but they also give us a little goodie bag to go. It's just so sweet. So if you really want to book this tour when you're in Hanoi, I'll have that link down below, and I'll have links to all of Jennifer's tours and everything that she does for tourism here in Hanoi. I definitely recommend it, and I recommend these kinds of experiences anytime that you travel. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and bye for now.